to Chili's.
Cried and prayed that he'd be saved.
I did this.
It's a wrist.
Clench your cheeks. Oh my gosh.
One more chance.
Alright, it's on the wrist.
First of all, you don't know my life. I used to cut bushes.
I know your life, Carla.
I used to cut bushes for a living.
You didn't cut bushes?
I did cut
with
bushes.
With a chainsaw? That's not a chainsaw, Carla.
It's the
That's
same
a hedge
thing.
trimmer.
But you can still do
It's not the
the
same thing. A hedge
But you
trimmer
can
trims
still do
hedges.
it.
Chainsaw cut wood.
Bush do this. Bush do that.
Like we're watching Law and Order
But it's a lot
SVU.
more. I have a real job.
the yearbook.
You compared.
It's the same thing, Josh. It's literally the little branches that you're talking about cutting.
I don't want. No, it's not the same thing.
I already did that.
This is what I'm doing. I'm spitting truth. You just spitting.
No one laughed.
No, give me my drink back. We'll crush this lone figure.
Do it. Do it.
Smash it.
Oh. He's saving Newton.
Give me a free pizza.
No.
Whoa, whoa!
Down to business to defeat.
You're covered in dogs.
I wanna go hunting and need takers.
No.
Get down.
How would we see that?
What?
Sugar, butter. Wow, that was right in my ear. Can you like?
Donald J. Trump is your mom.
How is he walking?
Smug. I'm so smug.
Oh. But at the same, no, shut your eyes. Shut your eyes. Shut your eyes.
Live thing, is it?
No, it's not alive. Close your eyes.
scared now.
Close your eyes. Close your. You cannot look. You cannot look. Y'all are gonna look at the same time. All right, ready? Look. Look.
Oh, they're magnets. We hey! There's an upstairs.
Yeah, right there.
Oh, there are two steps.
Hi, welcome to Chili's.
Hi, welcome to Chili's.
Talking downtown Memphis.
I am a thief.
You're the boring
I am a
version.
thief.
You're just a
Yeah.
I am a
Think about you, smile for the
C-H-R-I-S-E-I-N.
store.
And I C-H-R-I-S-E-M-I-H-E-A-R-T. And I will
Nobody cares, Colby.
The Lord cares.
Alignment checks.
Alignment checks.
Do it. Do it. Got him.
Get it. Get it. Ready, set, go.
But I will win the war.
What do you think about next time? When's the rematch?
Man, they put up a good fight this time right here. I'll get them next time. I'm gonna hit the gym. Or I got some more. They put up a good fight.
What a joke he is.
What a jokey you are.
You know what? You're just looking for content. I'm not in the mood to provide content.
Oh my, oh, dang. Whoa. You're so tan, Lucas.
Because I take care of my
Can I
body.
be on the vlog? No.
Over my left combo. Edit it.
Lucas.
A couple times.
Why are you, how do you get so tan?
Because I take care of my body.
Did you or did you not just eat a whole bag of combos and a big gulp?
And I'm proud of it.
But all I was I don't know